Hi, it's Chris again with C&H Auto Accessories coming from Las Vegas. That's right, I'm at the SEMA show and we're looking at one of the newest products from Undercover. Now this is the Triad. It's a folding cover. It is a hard cover. And what this is, it's bringing in a cover that's maybe a little bit more price conscious. It's for the people who maybe don't want to spend as much, but they want to have a high quality product. Well, this is it. Again, this is made by Undercover. It is a aluminum cover here. As you can see, here's your locking mechanism here. This is basically, it's going to lock underneath your lip here. You do have your triple seal here, and there's a nice little seal along here. This should do a very good job of keeping the water out. Now, I have not tested this one. Usually when I'm telling you my videos, I'll tell you how good they are for water. This has not come out, and this is coming out. So this is one, I'm doing the video here, and I guess it's November, and this probably won't be out to sometime next year. So I might hold up putting the video out until it's available for purchase. But let's go over and look at it. As you can see, it is a folding cover. This folds all the way here. Now, as you're driving, you do need to lock it in place. If you do not lock it in place, the wind could catch this and close this on you. So you want to make sure you lock it in place. As you see, it does not take up any space in the bed. It's going to give you full access to the bed. Now it is a two-fold cover. Now you do have other models which is a 3, but again, this is a little bit more of a price-conscious cover, so it's going to be a little less money. As you can see, there is a bed rug in here, which you know how much I love bed rugs. How many videos have I done with the bed rug? I think it's a great product. And of course, we have the bed extender over here. That's also another nice product. This is from Amp Research. All of this is part of the Truck Hero group. As you know, Truck Hero has a ton of products. And again, this is the Undercover Triad here. So let's go ahead now. If you notice, it does sit on the bed. It does not sit in the bed. It's one of the differences between the models here. So let's go ahead and close it up. Nice clean look. It is when the matte finishes. And even though the price point on this is going to be really good, it is a premium cover. So this is, even though it's going to be a little less money, they've not skipped out on quality. They're still using the high quality materials to make this, so you can save money, but you're not giving up anything. Again, this is going to be a great product. It won't be out for a little bit, but when it does, again, I can ship it anywhere in the country. As you know, we have abilities to do that. You just call us in the store. Of course, you can go on the website, which is the bottom of this YouTube video. We'll have my website. You can order directly, or of course, come visit me. Say hello, come into my store. Let me show you everything about this. And let me do a video of your truck with this cover. I would love to do that. You know how much I love doing those things. Again, this is Chris doing a video from SEMA in Las Vegas. Thank you.